Hello everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series. Today we learn how to create this OD ring symbol animated by a Python. So this is the symbol. You note down this thing. The thickness of the pen is increased in this tutorial. After first ring, the pen is moved to here, then create the second ring, then pen move here and create the third ring, and the color of the ring is changes, then pen move here and create the ring, then move here, create the ring. Every time when you create the ring, color is change. So let's start how to create this. Because the graphical animation we use by turtle module, so first of all you have to import turtle module. Import, simply type import turtle, enter. After this you can give the name of the turtle. You can follow by the turtle name as well. So width of the turtle, turtle, okay, width of the turtle dot width is we take 20. Okay, the next width is defined. First of all import the module. Second step is define the width of the turtle. The next is create a circle, first ring. Okay, because we know that the default color is black, so first ring is black color. So turtle dot circle, and the size of the circle is 60. Okay, the first ring is created by 20 width. You can check here, the first circle width of 20 is created by default location, and the location of the cursor is default. If you assume this is the screen and the default pen, or you can say turtle for location is here, so he create a black circle width of 20 here. Okay, after creating a circle, the next circle, after creating a circle, when he create next circle, pen move here and create next circle, but don't move like that. He move without writing, so we write turtle dot pen up, turtle pen up. Now he move turtle but without writing, so we move turtle dot forward 140 pixel. Okay, now turtle move 140 pixel like this. First circle after created, he move 140 distance but without the writing. Okay, he move, then he create circle if we write here. Okay, then pen down for writing, turtle dot pen down, turtle dot pen down, then create circle, but the color of the circle is red. So turtle dot pen color or color is red. In single quote you can type red. Okay, so first circle is default color is black, created after pen up. First circle is created by black, after pen up and create down and created one circle of red color. Okay, but we don't say create circle. Now we create circle, turtle dot circle, turtle dot circle, and the circle size is 60. Then again pen up, forward, pen down, and you can copy this and paste here. Okay, red 60, now pen up 140, pen down, now red color you can change yellow. Okay, now three circle created. First circle is default color black, second is red, and third is yellow. After yellow color, the after three circle black, red and yellow, our cursor, mouse cursor or writing cursor move here. So is coordinate we assume 210. This is the 210 distance and this is the 50, or you can say minus 50 and 0 minus 50, sorry, 0 minus 50, or you can say, let's check when we create. First of all, we move the turtle. So for moving the turtle or pen nib, turtle dot go to coordinate xy and 0 comma minus 50, then change the color, then pan up, down and change the color. Okay, before this you have to pan up, understand? After creating yellow circle, pan up and turtle go to here. After this, pan down, then change color, blue color, and then create circle. So copy the circle, we check, then we forward. Let's check. First circle, second circle, third circle. Cursor is moved but not to correct distance. So okay, our cursor is here, creating a circle of 60 dia. Okay, it means here is minus 30, is plus 30, and I want to, the next circle is 140. I want to make circle here. It means the x value is 30. X value is 30. Let's check. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3 and circle 4. I think 40. We don't calculate the, I am not calculating the coordinates, that's why this problem. I am assuming data, and we make 50 and 60. Now we check. I want to create here circle. Now the right, okay, right. Okay, after creating this circle, what we do, we create a green circle by this, pan up, copy this and paste, and now do change the distance. This 52 make 100 and blue to make green, and play and check. First circle black default color, red color, yellow color, blue color or green color. Green color distance is okay, if 180 we can change. You can calculate in rough paper the coordinates, then you make this. Okay, 200 we can make this perfect. But you can understand now how I can create this OD ring by Python. Now it's assume good. So after the complete the running program, the screen is off. So what we do for holding screen, turtle dot done bracket close and run this program. When we create any drawing animation on turtle, the default location of the turtle is this at the center, and the coordinate is xy is 0 0. Okay, you can measure where you want to draw. If you want to draw from starting from here, you have to put coordinates, go to cursor, minus this and minus this, like that. So this is the tutorial of OD ring. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, click on bell icon. For this code you can code from the codium.co.in website. Thank you very much.